Hi guys, this is Shweta here back with another video, and today is going to be really special because I'm going to start off with a new video series that I'm really excited about, and this video series is called Dupe That. So I'm going to first explain what this series is going to be about and then start with today's video. Dupe That is going to be a video where I will be showing you two products that are really similar. Like, they are from two different companies, two different brands, but yet they're so similar that you can use either of them. It's just going to be something of one brand which is very similar to the other one, so that you can choose your pick and which one is, in terms of your availability and prices, you can choose your pick. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So today the product is going to be a fragrance product. Like you must be knowing, I'm a fan of fragrances and perfumes, and so I thought let's start with the product that inspired me into getting this series. So the product that's going to be today is a body mist. Like, body mists are not exactly perfumes, but they are shower sprays that you can use after having a bath, or you can use anytime during the day, but it's advisable to use it after your bath or taking a shower so that it kind of stays long. Body mists are generally really diluted fragrances, so they don't stay for a really long time, max 2 to 3 hours. So today's product is going to be two of them that I have used. Like, one of them is new and the other one is something that I have used since a really long time, so I know about it. And coincidentally, these two products are so similar, even though they are totally different brands, that I thought let's start with this series. But these are the two products that I'm talking about. This is a Bath & Body Works body mist. This is called Carried Away. This is their signature collection, and I got it very recently. I will be featuring this in one of the haul videos that I'm going to shoot in a few days. Though I bought it at rupee prices over here only because this is available online and they kind of guarantee that it's genuine. But anyways, this is what I got. And the second product that I've got is a product that is available in India since a long time. This is the Layered Water Girl Mystic Island fragrance. I have used this since a really long time, and coincidentally when I bought this recently, it just turned out to be totally dupes for each other, like almost like the same smell. So it kind of surprised me a lot because this is a way more expensive product than this one, but still, anyways, firstly I will be telling you everything about this product, and then this alternatively I will be telling so you guys can compare yourselves. So this one is from Bath & Body Works. This retailed for around 1200 rupees, almost 1200 approximate, and this is available online only. I don't know about like Ahmedabad, I don't know stores that have these products, but this is available on Purple, and they do guarantee that this is genuine, or else you can return the product if you find it as a duplicate or something. Now I'll be speaking about this one. This is a Indian company, and they have a huge spray collection here, and this is really affordable. This costs rupees 195, and this is from their primary collection that came out when they launched in India. So this is, I don't know whether this fragrance is available. I think almost like 90% it is available in India, but this was one of the first body mists that I had used from this range itself. Now, coming to the quantity, this is a 236 ml bottle, whereas this is a 135 ml. So this one is a really bigger bottle. If you can see, I can give you in comparison the bottle. Like, this is really big than this one. But if you like handy sprays, this is really good because then you can keep it in your bag and so on. You can take, because this is a pretty big size. So yeah, this will last longer, but this one is smaller and easier to carry. Now coming to the fragrance part, I will first smell them and tell you about the longevity, how much it lasts, and what is the fragrance basically and how it smells. So first I'll be smelling this Layered Water Girl one and telling you how it smells. This smells like almost like a floral, watery kind of a very fresh fragrance. This was my personal favorite, especially while hitting on the gym. What I love about this fragrance is this is really simple, not really complex, but it's a very likable fragrance. It smells of fresh fruits and floral tones like mixed together, but in a very simple manner, not a very complicated smell. Very fresh, very fresh, and kind of a little intense, but not really intense. Now smelling the other one, now is very similar to that. Like, I won't say this is an exact smell, but very close, very close. Apart from the fact that the floral tone of the smell is much more in this one than that one. It's a little more florally in smell. Flower smells more than the fruit. I cannot smell much fruit in this one. Very fresh, but I think I'll have to spray to actually understand. When you first smell it, it kind of has that sandalwood tone in it well, which doesn't, like, Layer Watermelon does not have that. This one has a little bit of a earthy tone in it, which the Layer Watermelon doesn't have. The Layer Watermelon is more of a fruity tone, like an undertone of the smell is like that. So that way, I would say this is the exact dupe, but this is very, very close. So if you don't mind spending a little too much for a little bit more earthy tone, this smells more like a perfume, whereas this smells more like a body mist. So if you're into a body mist which kind of reminds you of perfume, this is really nice. But if you want a proper body mist that you can use after your shower, this is good. This is more of a fruity undertone, the basic, and this one is more like an earthy undertone, so you have a little bit of a sandalwood kind of a touch, a woody touch of in the smell. Like, now coming in terms of how much it lasts, the shocking fact is this lasts much more than this one. This lasts max 2 to 3 hours, like max. After that you can't smell this at all on your body. So this one is how much it lasts. Whereas this one, I guess, lasts up to around 4 hours, which is a very good for a body mist. Like, I'm not saying I'm recommending this or this. What I'm saying is I'm just comparing and telling you guys this is what it is, and you can choose which way you like. So this lasts a bit more longer than this one, but this one is a little special in terms of the smell, because the earthy undertone kind of gives it a perfume kind of a smell which this doesn't. So that's how it is. This is available in any of the general stores online. This is way more available than this one. This is a foreign product, so the availability of this product is a little bit of a concern, because you will not get it just anywhere that you want. So guys, that was it for the Dupe That series. I hope you guys like it. Even if it seemed like a comparison video, it wasn't. I just wanted to tell you guys everything that I found similar and not similar in the products. Pick your ones that you like. So I will be coming out with more in this series, more kind of products. If you have any kind of suggestion or anything, you can put down in the comment section below. And so that was it. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel to get more notifications. You can follow my blog and you can follow me on social media. I'll put down all the links in the description box below. Please comment down, tell me how you liked it, whether there's anything I should add, I should not. So it's on you guys to tell me. And I hope you guys are having a great week. So ciao.